Hello again. We're starting off on a misty, murky note to the day. There's even some frost around first thing in the morning, but that will tend to lift, but will hang on to a lot of cloud through the day. Most of us, though, getting away with a dry day. Now, you can tell from the isobars that it's going to be fairly windy across the north and the west. Hardly a breeze as we push further south, so the cloud not really breaking up. But we will see some brighter breaks across parts of North Wales, northeast England, and also northeast Scotland. And for a time, you could see some sunny spells across East Anglia and also the southeast. Now, not much of a wind, as I mentioned, except for across the northern and the Western Isles, but it will be windy. And the cloud also in parts of the west, thick enough for some drizzle at times. If you're stepping out for a New Year's Day walk, well, it's going to feel chilly, particularly down the east coast. Now, this evening and overnight, we continue with all this cloud, still quite windy, the wind strengthening by the end of the night across western Scotland, touching gale force at times with the gusts, and then we've got a weather front coming our way, introducing some rain by the end of the night. But it does mean that for tomorrow, we still are bathed in this mild air, represented by the yellows and also the ambers, but it's not going to last. So on Thursday, just one look at the isobars tells you wherever you are, it's going to be windy, but the strongest winds will be once again in the north and the west. We've got two weather fronts coming our way, both bringing rain. So it's a cloudy start, the cloud thick enough again for some spots of drizzle. Our first band goes through, this rain weakening as it gets into England and Wales. A brief lull behind it before more heavy rain comes our way. And you can see the gusts of wind represented there in the black circles. So although temperatures might look on the mild side for this stage in January, between 10 and 12, they will be tempered by the wind. Then as we move in through Thursday to Friday, our weather front sinks steadily southwards, taking the mild air with them. It's replaced by colder conditions represented there by the blue. So we see the cloud and the patchy rain move away from the southeast, many of us having a dry and a sunny day, just a few showers in the north and the west. But in Shetland, we're looking at gusts to gale force, even severe gales. And for you, the showers will be heavy at times and wintry, and for some, even at lower levels, we'll see some snow. That leads us into a mild but mainly dry weekend.